Okay, so good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Kung nasan ka man lupalop ng mundo ngayon, kung ano man yung oras na meron ka ngayon. Right now, i-explain ko sa iyo kung ano ba yung economy, ano ba yung services na in-offer nito. Okay, so si economy, ang home base po nito is in Los Angeles, California, USA. So it's a US-based company. The owner of this company is si Mr. Hassan Mahmoud, okay, founder and economy chief executive officer. Featured na siya sa Forbes magazine ng 2 beses. Okay, it's a very good CEO. At the same time, pag-usapan naman natin, ano ba yung forex trading? Forex trading means forex exchange. So ito po yung pagpalitan ng currency sa buong mundo, no? So ngayon, itong forex trading nag-ooperate po to or yung ating financial market ng 24 hours a day and 5 days a week. The good thing about forex market, meron tong trading volume na over $6.7 trillion every day na active na nagtitrade. Okay? So these are the services of economy. Number one is what we call the ECA. Ito po is an education or yung ating academy. Dito tinuturo lahat ng anything na kailangan malaman sa journey mo sa forex trading. Okay? From beginner to advanced. We have this what we call Solex. It's an application, downloadable sa Google app or sa kung ikaw naka-Apple, so App Store. Okay? And meron din po tayo yung what we call Manara. This one is an AI tool na kung saan siya na yung nag-i-scan kung wala ka masyadong oras, siya na mag-i-scan ng graph para sa iyo or nung chart para sa iyo. Gagawin mo na lang is i-follow yung trading nito. Okay? So these are the sample of our basic to advanced. Yung left is basic trainings. Advanced is yung atin namang mas, kumbaga kung ikaw ay trader na, mas ma-appreciate mo to. Dahil ito, mas minimize, minax, and mas pinasimplified lahat ng training. So mas madali mo siya maintindihan. Okay? Meron din tayo mga live session. Actually, this is my favorite kasi makakausap mo yung coach, makikita mo rin paano lang ginagawa yung trading sila. Also, we offer stock options. These are trainings naman or academy education in regards to stock markets. Okay? Same thing, may basic and live sessions. And meron din tayong cryptocurrencies. Okay? Cryptocurrencies Academy. Ayan. So ngayon, meron tayo ditong tinatawag na masterclass. Actually, sa mga favorite kong product na economy. Kasi once you enter in this masterclass, makakasabay mo mag-trade. Okay, sila mismo sasabihin nila sa'yo live kung ano yung mga kung saan sila nagbabayad, saan sila nagsisell, and pwede mo i-copy para ikaw ay mag-benefit din. Okay? So these are our weekly results. So ito yung last March, no? Almost 87.50 win rate under Plutos. Meron din tayong Fivers para sa mga cryptocurrencies. Okay, 90% win rate RFX. Stocks naman 94% win rate. We have bilingual, we have weekly forex result then almost 75% win rate. So ito siya. Nung ano naman, March 24 to 29, almost 80, may 100%. So ito po yung mga win rates natin. Okay, being part of the community ng economy. Sample of trades, yan. So once maging part ka ng economy, mapapasok ka sa mga Telegram signals natin. Dito meron tayo mga signals na kung saan pwede mong i-follow. Okay? Follow mo lang yung signals na yan. Kung hindi ka pa marunong or hindi ka pa manual trader talaga, pwede mo siyang i-follow. In a way, magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong analysis kung bakit yun yung ginagawa nila. So, mas mapapadali. Magkakaroon ka lang ng analysis. Okay, so we also have affiliate signal testimonials. So, ito yon mga samples ng mga testimonials natin. Okay, fast forward. These are the chats po ng mga ating kasamahan dito. 'Di ba? Malaki coach, profitable first economy. Nakapag-withdraw na po profits kagabi. So yan, mga sample profits sila. So nakakatuwa kasi kahit wala pa, karamihan is zero knowledge and zero experience, yet because of economy, mas napapadali yung kanilang trading journey. Okay? So again, this is the last product ng in our presentation. Last product na economy is si Manara. Ito yung nikwento kanina na siya na yung nag-analyze o i-scan ng chart para sa iyo. So all you need to do is to follow. Ayan, ilagay niya na yung target, signals, 'di ba? Yung stop loss, kompleto lahat dyan. Okay? So we also have face-to-face workshop. So kung ikaw marami kang oras at taga Manila ka, I would like to invite you here sa Pasig, sa Glaston Tower para pwede ka rin makasama sa aming workshop na face-to-face. Okay? So yan, imagine kahit si Lola, kaya niyang gawin yung business, And ito yung sample ng ating mga workshops. Alright, so this is the first day being part of this community, and I could say in my 2 months time trading, naging profitable po yung journey ko, and sobrang happy ako sa results at sa dami ko na pong natutunan in this community. Okay? So ngayon, pag-usapan natin how to enroll in economy. All you need to do is to purchase the $149. Yes po. $149 together na po ng lahat ng pinaliwanag ko kanina ng mga services from ECA, Solex, and Manara. Okay, kasama na po lahat yun. So, si Economy, ang ino-offer niya is education. Nag-offer siya ng education for only $149. Alright? Ngayon, because it's a subscription-based platform, pwede po yan. Next month, kung nabitin ka, pwede ka po mag-additional $99 na lang and so on. Tuloy-tuloy para sa yung services ng economy. Okay? Ngayon, let's check kung magkano ba yung singil o magkano ba bayad sa mga forex professionals. Meron pong mga kilalang na master trader from kilala siya worldwide, no? Ang singil niya is $150 per hour. Okay? So ganun siya, ganun ang singil niya dali is a master trader with 12 years of experience. Okay? So the same time, meron tayo dito mga nag-o-offer ng training online is 24,000, almost 25,000 pesos. And the same time, meron din mga seminars, no? Like, yung iba, umaabot pa nga for up to 85,000 pesos para lang sa 3 days training ng Forex sa isang hotel sa BGC. Okay? So, pwede nyo i-research yan. Right? So, ngayon, this is what I like about economy. Bukod sa na-enjoy mo yung services and products niya, for every time you promote a kit, okay? Promote mo lang yung mga enrollee na gusto rin mag-enroll o gusto mag-aral ng Forex, economy will pay you $50 or katumbas po yan ng 2,800 pesos in profit. Alright? So that's only $149. And then, once ikaw naman gusto mong karirin yung pag-share o yung pag-promote ng neto, we also have what we call affiliate marketing kit. For additional $29, ma-activate mo na po ito. So ano naman mangyari pag na-activate mo to? You will have a career plan. Under this career plan, okay, the moment po na kayo ay meron 3 personally enrolled, automatic, you will become an apprentice. Okay, malinaw po yan. So once you become an apprentice, automatic po, you will have a weekly payout of $25 weekly. So that will run for almost a month, so that's $100 in a month. Okay? Assuming yung 3 personally enrolled mo, nagtuloy sila mag-aral pa din next month, so automatic may 3 personally enrolled ka pa din. And because this is an affiliate program, dito po sa under affiliate program, it's a one account lang. Meaning to say, once yun yung name mo na register mo na sa affiliate, automatic under career plan. Sa susunod po ng mga estudyante pa na mag-enroll under your students din, kapwa students, automatic makaka-count po sila dito sa total of students. So almost 20 students, you will become influencer 500. Basta nandiyan yung 3 personally mo. Okay, magkano ba influencer 500? That's $500 a month. And you will receive your weekly income of $125. Okay, going to influencer 900, 2020 naman is $225 weekly and then $100 monthly. Okay, influencer 151, of course 1,500, prodigy, etc. And the good part naman nito, ang pinakadulo po natin ito is the legend. Legend po is nasa $1 million a month. Okay, so these dollars ang pinag-uusapan natin. Ngayon, meron na po dito na isang tao na naka-reach ng Icon 500. So that's already $500 a month. Okay, meron na pong tao nakahit niyan. And good thing in our economy platform, dito sa Philippines, February lang siya almost nagsimula talaga i-promote, no? And yung tao po nag-promote niyan, nasa almost going to Icon 25. Currently, nasa Icon 15 siya. That's $15,000 a month. Again, and this is residual income. Okay? Residual income. Okay? So, aside pa to sa mga tradings mo. So, kung ikaw nagpaplano ka mag-trade, ito maganda, yung fund na kailangan mo for trading, pwedeng dito mo nakunin. Okay? So, this is the sample ng mga tao po na may mga ranks na. Actually, matataas na yung mga ranks sila ngayon. Okay? Sila yung mga icon na. And then, Lady Dennis, already icon 15. Diba? Same with Miss Catherine and Sir Edsel, mga icon 15 na po sila. Okay? So, ito po yung sample ng profit natin na weekly po natin mawi-withdraw. Papasok sa account mo. So, imagine guys, even yung anak ni Sir Manny Pacquiao is doing this, no? So they are promoting economy sa kanila pong social media pages from Instagram to Facebook. Okay? So kung meron yung anak, meron din po yung kanyang tatay. Okay? So in-offer ni Sir Manny. Sila po ang ating mga brand ambassadors sa Philippines. You can also check his Facebook account, Instagram account, kung paano po i-promote ni Sir Manny yung economy. Okay? So, that's it, guys. Actually, this is the end. Congratulations kung ngayon pa lang. Nakita ko, umabot ka na sa part na to. Okay? So, if ikaw gusto mong karirin or gawin to as part of your daily routine or side hustle, you can contact us kung sino man nag-send sa iyo ng link ng video na to, contact mo lang siya and ask for their affiliate link so you can start with economy. So that's all. Thank you.